Shenzhen Shuai New Energy Co., Limited was founded in 2017. It consists of a group of R&D engineers and key sales personnel with extensive experience in the lithium battery industry. Currently, Shuai New Energy focuses on the production and sales of lithium iron phosphate battery packs. The products are used in golf carts, sightseeing vehicles, forklifts, and UTVs. A TV, industrial AGV, and other low-speed vehicles, as well as residential energy storage market. 3,000 square meters of manufacturing workshop, with several engineers experienced in the lithium battery industry for many years. Our team emphasizes teamwork and cross-functional collaboration. We solve complex technical problems to ensure smooth project progress. Starting from cell production, we implement precise processes and strict quality control measures, ensuring that each cell meets the highest standards. Battery module integral molding. Production line roles are clearly defined. Laser welding process. Each step of battery assembly is meticulously performed by skilled technicians. During the PDU installation phase, ensure the stability and safety of the battery system. Installing the BMS system enhances lifespan and safety performance. Through charge and discharge testing, ensure excellent performance of each battery cell. Aging tests ensure the long-term reliability of batteries. Appearance tests ensure each battery is both internally high quality and looks perfect externally. After rigorous packaging, the products are delivered to customers worldwide. The factory has passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification. We have numerous product patents and over 100 certifications including EUCE, UN 38.3, MSDS, and US ALT. At Shuai New Energy, our corporate culture is built on innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction. We believe that with high-quality products and technological innovation, Shuai can better serve our customers.